Hey guys, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. Welcome back to Nick's Desk. Today we've got a bunch of new releases from Reate. It's called the Crossroads and it's an excellent collaboration with Kirby Lambert. Let's check it out. With the Crossroads, Reate did a great job translating the style of the original Kirby Lambert customs. As you can see here with this well-traveled example that belongs to one of our employees here at the Knife Center. The knives themselves feature Bowler's excellent M390 stainless steel. You've got a straight clip point here with a swedge along the back and a nice hollow grind. You also get some really cool contrasting finishes. The flats of the blade are ground horizontally with vertical grind lines on the ground portion. So there's two frame color options with the Crossroads. You have both gray and black titanium, and they each come with 3 different handle scale options. This is the carbon fiber. We've also got a marbled carbon fiber and green G10. As we've come to expect from Reate, the action is very good thanks to the bearing-based pivot. Fires out nice and strong and locks up really well. We've got a hardened steel insert here on the lock bar. The floating back spacer is a really nice touch. Adds a little extra style thanks to those brass bushings in there. And you also get a sculpted pocket clip as well. Each knife comes with its own padded soft case with a bunch of goodies inside. Got a Reate patch, microfiber bag, microfiber cloth, and some extra hardware for the pivot and screws. So whether you're looking to kickstart your Kirby Lambert collection or you just want something really fancy to carry for your EDC, this Crossroads has what you need. If you like what you see, you can find them all over at KnifeCenter.com.